Have you ever wondered what it would be like to sleep with the fishes? Not in a scary old movie kind of way, but in a magical, breathtaking way. Imagine waking up and seeing a manta ray glide past your window, or watching a school of colorful fish swim by while you sip your morning coffee. This isn't a scene from a fantasy film, it's a real place. In the glittering city of Dubai, a city known for its towering skyscrapers and ambitious dreams, there is a hotel that defies expectations. It's a hotel that isn't built on land at all. It exists beneath the waves of the Arabian Gulf, a hidden world waiting to be discovered. This special place is part of Atlantis, the Palm, a sprawling resort that looks like a fairy tale palace rising from the sea. But the most incredible secret of this resort isn't visible from the shore. To find it, you have to go deeper. The hotel offers something truly unique: underwater suites. These aren't just rooms with a nice view of the ocean, these are rooms that are literally inside the ocean. They are submerged within the resort's massive Ambassador Lagoon, an aquarium teeming with 65,000 marine animals. The experience is designed to make you feel as though you have left the surface world behind and entered a completely different realm. The very idea of sleeping underwater sounds like science fiction. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of architecture and imagination. Most hotels compete with city views, or beach access, but this hotel competes with the ocean itself. From the moment you step inside one of these suites, the outside world melts away. The bustling energy of Dubai is replaced by the silent, graceful dance of marine life. The walls of your bedroom and bathroom are giant panes of glass, offering an uninterrupted panorama of the underwater world. It's an immersive experience that connects you with nature in a way few places on Earth can offer. Getting to your room is an adventure in itself. You don't just walk down a normal hallway. Instead, you are escorted on a private journey that feels like a descent into another dimension. The light changes, the sounds of the resort fade, and a deep blue calm takes over. The suites, named Poseidon and Neptune after the gods of the sea, are designed to be sanctuaries of peace and wonder. They are a testament to Dubai's love for the extraordinary, a city that constantly asks, "What if?" and then builds the answer. This hotel is the answer to the question, what if you could live, just for a little while, at the bottom of the sea? The most obvious and incredible feature is the view, the bedroom, the bathroom, massive windows offering a panoramic spectacle of the Ambassador Lagoon. This isn't like watching a nature documentary on a screen. This is real life, unfolding right before your eyes. Lie in bed and watch the gentle rhythm of the sea. Light filters down from the surface, creating shifting patterns. A serene blue glow fills the room, a completely immersive experience, like an underwater inhabitant. But it goes far beyond the view. Guests receive service fit for royalty. A private butler is on call 24 hours a day. Gourmet meals served in your underwater lounge. A special bath drawn with exotic oils and rose petals. The suite's bar with 24-karat gold-infused soap. So, the theme of an underwater world actually extends way beyond just the suites. The resort is also home to Oceano, a world-renowned seafood restaurant that's actually submerged. Dining here feels like eating in a grand underwater ballroom. The restaurant is surrounded by massive aquarium windows, giving diners breathtaking views of the lagoon's inhabitants while they eat. The menu is crafted by a celebrity chef, every dish a work of art. But the real star is the backdrop. Sharks raise countless fish gliding past your table. One special activity is getting even closer to marine life. The resort runs Aqua Trek Extreme, where you put on a special helmet and walk along the bottom of the Ambassador Lagoon. You don't need to be a certified diver. The helmet supplies continuous air, so you breathe normally as you stroll among Atlantis ruins, surrounded by thousands of curious fish. It's surreal, like walking on another planet. Seeing fish from your room is one thing, walking among them is another. So why should this unbelievable hotel be on your bucket list? It offers an experience you cannot find anywhere else. More than a place to sleep, an invitation to a different reality. Leave behind the noise and chaos of the surface world. Immerse in the silent, graceful beauty of the deep sea. Sparks the imagination and reminds us of nature's wonders. A chance to live out a fantasy most have only dreamed of. Staying underwater at Atlantis, the Palm is a journey for the senses. Sight, 1,000 fish swimming in perfect harmony. Feeling, profound peace surrounded by ocean majesty. Taste, a world-class meal enjoyed with sharks and rays. This hotel doesn't just provide luxury, it gives memories that last a lifetime. The kind of story that makes everyone lean in, eyes wide. Even if you can't visit now, it's worth dreaming about. It represents human creativity and our desire to connect with nature. It pushes boundaries, transforming a hotel into a destination. Sleeping peacefully while a hidden world comes to life is powerful. A modern fairy tale, imagination and ambition bringing wild dreams to life. The Underwater Hotel of Dubai, a true wonder of the modern world.